Welcome to the future of driving. Today, we're diving into the top 5 concept cars making waves right here in the UK. These aren't just cars, they're rolling pieces of innovation, design, and dreams. Some might never hit the road, but they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Let's explore the wild, the wonderful, and the downright jaw-dropping concept cars redefining the British automotive scene. Mini Aceman. Kicking off the list at number 5, it's the Mini Aceman. Mini is back with a bold new direction. The Aceman is a fully electric crossover that blends classic British design with futuristic tech. Picture the familiar Mini charm, but supercharged with LED lights, a digital-first interior, and sustainable materials throughout. This concept hints at the next generation of Minis, smarter, greener, and still full of personality. While it's compact, it feels ready for the digital age. And yes, there's even a pop-up projector for movies under the stars. Mini, you've outdone yourself. Praise Bentley EXP 100 GT. At number 4, we have pure luxury from Crew, the Bentley EXP 100 GT. Built to celebrate Bentley's 100th anniversary, this concept is a glimpse into the grand touring of the future. Think handcrafted luxury meets AI-driven intelligence. The EXP 100 GT is fully electric with a range of 435 miles and acceleration that rivals supercars, 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. Inside, it's an eco-luxury haven, using sustainable materials like wood from 5,000-year-old trees and vegan leather made from wine waste. Yes, really, it's a statement. Bentley isn't just thinking big, it's thinking responsibly. Aston Martin Lagonda. Vision coming in at number 3, the Aston Martin Lagonda Vision concept. Aston Martin is going electric in style. The Lagonda Vision isn't your typical EV. It's a floating lounge on wheels. Designed as a fully autonomous luxury saloon, the Lagonda offers a cabin where passengers can swivel their seats to face each other and just relax. With zero emissions and space-age looks, this concept represents Aston Martin's vision of sustainable luxury. No compromise on elegance. No compromise on performance. Jaguar Vision Gran Turismo SV at number 2. We hit the virtual and real-world racetrack with the Jaguar Vision Gran Turismo SV. Originally designed for the Gran Turismo video game series, this concept came to life as a real prototype, and it's absolutely wild. A fully electric endurance racer with 4 motors delivering over 1,100 horsepower and a top speed of over 250 mph. It's sleek, futuristic design channels Jaguar's racing heritage while pushing far into the future. It's digital meets physical, and it's proof that virtual design is changing the real-world automotive game. Rolls-Royce 103X. And finally, number 1. The king of British luxury, the Rolls-Royce 103X. This isn't just a car. It's a vision of what ultra-luxury mobility could look like in the next 100 years. Completely autonomous, fully electric, and entirely bespoke. Rolls-Royce imagines each 103X will be handcrafted to the owner's exact specifications, from the interior layout to the materials used. There's no steering wheel, no dashboard, just a seamless lounge of luxury. The voice-activated virtual assistant named Eleanor takes care of everything. This is automotive art, and it's Rolls-Royce telling the world, the future of luxury has arrived. So there you have it. 5 incredible concept cars shaping the future of the UK automotive scene. From electric racers to autonomous lounges, the future isn't just coming, it's already here. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic car content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the fast lane.